Well, we are under a weather impact alert right now due to the threat of heavy rain and the next round of thunderstorms. If August had a feeling, today would be that. It's like just this hot, humid, lack of wind. It's August.
You walk outside and it's just thick. You walk outside and that moisture hits you in the face. It's feeling tropical outside, and this is what it's going to be like all weekend. The storms arrived a little earlier than expected, but regardless, it is storming outside right now, and you can expect to see several rounds of these heavy thunderstorms for a good chunk of this weekend. Three main waves is what we're looking at. One wave is coming through tonight. The other one's coming through early Saturday morning, and then another one on Sunday morning with some localized flooding possible. Main reason behind that is every time one of these storms moves through, the ground is saturated. So when another storm moves on top of that, that rain doesn't have anywhere to go. And all of our forecast models are highlighting a good chunk of Minnesota and Wisconsin seeing a good chance at least several inches of rainfall coming within a short amount of time frame. For case in point, MSP at the airport, they just recorded nearly a ½ inch of rain just within the last hour. This is a time-lapse loop of Bde-Makaska, and you can see those storms are still firing there right now. We did reach 88 degrees, now down to 76 with that rain-cooled air. We've got some reports of small hail coming out of some of these cells as well. Pretty small, only about pea-sized hail. And with this first wave, we're not looking at a great chance for severe weather. It's mainly just the potential for some urban flooding, some ponding of water on the roadway that certainly will impact your evening commute. And you notice these storms really just blossomed within the last hour or so, producing quite a bit of lightning and thunder as well. Let's zoom in a little closer and you'll see that line basically stretches due west and east, right from, say, the Wayzata area, right through the core of the metro, eastward towards Woodbury and over into western Wisconsin as well. Now, these storms are firing along a very weak frontal boundary that just took a little nudge to get going. And that's kind of the environment that we will be in all weekend long. Well, we don't have a big cold front moving through. We just have these little ripples in the jet stream that tap into all the moisture that's in place and tap into all that energy, and that does lead to some thunderstorms. So let's take a look at microcast. This is our high resolution forecast model, and this is what it's expecting as we head into tonight and into tomorrow. These storms that are over us right now, not lasting forever, probably over the next hour or two. We see things calm briefly as we head into tonight, but by the time we head into your Saturday morning, watch this main cluster of thunderstorms initially develop out over the Dakotas. This is about daybreak on Saturday, and then that main group of thunderstorms cruises across the state through the first part of the day tomorrow. So this means tomorrow morning could be a little dicey at times. The threat for severe weather is marginal, but we do think the threat for some localized flooding is possible given how much moisture this system has to tap into. Once we head into tomorrow afternoon, we quiet down. So Saturday afternoon and evening actually look fairly quiet. Then we head into Sunday morning, and a very similar case sets up. Another storm, what we call an MCS, a mesoscale convective system, develops initially over the Dakotas. That has the potential of pushing over us during the first half of Sunday as well. If you have any outdoor plans, just keep in mind the best chance for rain is during the overnight hours and during the first half of the day, especially Saturday and again on Sunday. We do dry out eventually. Some lingering showers continue on Monday, but finally drying out on Tuesday. We have a nice stretch of weather in the forecast. Beautiful by the start of the fair, which is next Thursday. Seasonal temperatures, low humidity, and a good amount of sunshine.